To all, today I am going to teach you the poem for Annie Gregory. It's written by William Butler Yeats. The poet is known for his great thoughts, ideas. He is considered one of the greatest poets of the 20th century. He found amphitheater. He has excelled his talents in all genres of the literature. The poem for Annie Gregory deals a beautiful thought, that is beauty and love. How to perceive, understand the thought beauty and love in life. So the poem gives us some idea and clue and hint to understand at the age of adolescent or in the teenage, and how to make our perception about that, and what would be our perspective about that. After reading the poem, we will be able to fix our opinion about that. Stanza 1. Never shall a young man thrown into despair by those great honey-colored ramparts at your ear love you for yourself alone, and not your yellow hair, and not your yellow hair. Stanza 2. But I can get a hair dye and set such color there, brown or black or carrot, that young men in despair may love me for myself alone, and not my yellow hair, and not my yellow hair. Stanza 3. I heard an old religious man, but yesternight declared that he had found a text to prove that only God, my dear, could love you for yourself alone, and not your yellow hair. Could love you for yourself alone, and not your yellow hair. Could love you for yourself alone, and not your yellow hair. The stanza 1 starts with a very striking opening, a negative thought. It talks about how does an adolescent man, how does a teenage boy, or how love comes at first sight. So what would be the factor behind that? Never shall a young man thrown into despair by those great honey-colored ramparts at your ear. So which derives or which attracts the man towards the girl? Any factor in that matter. But in the adolescent age, the people would look at the beautiful aspects of the girl first. Love yourself for alone and not your yellow hair. So, who will love themselves? Very rare thing in the world. Here the poet talks about how does an individual's approach towards a particular thing. How do we look at the world? How do we perceive the beauty? We appreciate the beauty of flower. We appreciate the beauty present in the decorative items, decorative contents. We appreciate the beauty through different aspects. Our definition about beauty is something different. It has to be error free. It has to attractive. It has to be attractive. It has to give us a kind of charm or pleasure or joy. But in the first stanza, the poet is talking about how immature the boy or how immature the guy is. What does he look at? To love, to be loved. He looks at the physical aspects of anybody. He's not looking at the values of life. He's not looking at the real love, the real happiness comes through. He's not realizing the fact that the real love comes through certain values. So it shows an immature attitude towards love, and that is portrayed here. Never shall a young man thrown into despair. Anybody will be getting a dejected mood, or will be disappointed at looking at the yellow honey color hair. So, if anybody has such features, according to the boy, it is a honey colored hair, but some others, the things will be totally different. So, it shows the immature attitude, and the boy has to undergo different things. The world the world will have a different attitude, different exposure that will teach us many things. Stanza 2. But I can get a hair dye and set such color there, brown or yellow, black, carrot, that young men in despair may love me for myself alone, not my yellow hair. So, what is portrayed in the first stanza and the second stanza? The stanza 1 begins with a conversation. Conversation is opened where a statement is made by the guy. He is of the opinion that guys will not love the girls who have yellow color, honey color hair. Second stanza gives a reply to such conversation by saying that the girl says that I can get a hair dye and set such color there, brown, black, or carrot. So it is the wish of the girl to be as it is. So the guy has to be mature enough to accept such natural things. Bringing outer as beauty to the outer aspect is a very simple thing, as easy as accepting the anything. It is quite simplest thing in the world. I can get a hair dye and set such a color there. It is not a difficult thing in the world. According to girl's statement, the adding beauty to any aspect is simplest thing in the world. The guy didn't realize that. The boy didn't realize that because of his immaturity, because he lacks some knowledge about it. That young man in despair may love me for myself alone, not my yellow hair. She determines. She is very firm in her decision that let him accept me, accept my inner soul, accept the love, the spirit of my love, not the outer aspect of my beauty, and not my yellow hair. He should not love my yellow hair, but he has to love my beauty, the value. I have got a value. The girl says, I got a great values. I got love, unending love, pure love, which will cure any pain, which will help others to solve problems, which will soothe and comfort others, which will help the people to unite, which will help the people to bring unity. So she talks about that kind of love, that kind of emotions. She is capable of bringing the real beauty, the real happiness to the people in the form of unending love, pure love. What is the reply of the guy? I heard an old religious man, but yesterday declared that. I heard an old religious man. Okay. How do we form an opinion? Only from the textbook, only from opinions expressed by experienced people, only from the words of great leaders. We form an opinion, we form our own principles, we form our own customs and habits. Based on that, we lead our life. The guy is also in the same manner. He is also following the same aspect of the life. He is following the same rituals, same rites, same customs. He never looks at anything new. I heard an old religious man, but yesterday night declared that he had found a text to prove that only God, my dear. So this statement proves that the guy is not having enough maturity to accept the inner beauty. He is not ready to accept the spirit. He is not able to accept the goodwill. He is not able to look at the beautiful aspect of any mankind, the love. He doesn't have the real feeling to sense the kind of feeling that she has. According to the immature guy, Certain things will be loved by or accepted by only the great living beings, only by great souls, only by pure heart, pure mind, pure soul. Something like godly things or God, only God, not your yellow hair. So again, he proves he is very firm in his decision that I am going to love anybody else only with the help of or only the outer beauty, outer aspect. I don't want to look at any inner aspect, inner body. I don't require anything. So this shows that he hasn't undergone any kind of worldly things. He has to undergo certain experiences, and he that will prove that only the inner beauty will help him bring him the true happiness in life. That will cure anybody else. That will bring solution to any problem. So from these stanzas we can understand the theme, appreciating the love. How to appreciate the love? It's up to our maturity, it's up to our exposure to the world, it's up to our understanding about the life. If we don't have it, it should not be mistaken. The time will come, the time will teach us many things, and the process will be longer. We have to undergo different experiences. So when we have options, we may forget the values. When we don't have an option, when we look for the real comfort, the real love, then we'll be able to understand it. Perceiving the beauty. Beauty lies in any form. It is found in all the natural things. It is found with every living being. And bringing or adding beauty to that is something great. The real purpose of life is appreciating everything as it is. When we look for certain aspects, when we discriminate the things, or when we isolate certain things due to certain factors, due to certain expectations, then things will not be okay. So the poem talks about the perspectives about love. How do we understand the real world called love? It is only based on the outer aspects of outer beauty? I don't think so. At an early stage, we may think that such attraction alone is considered love. No. But later we will understand that the love and affection shown by greater people, affection shown to the needy people, comfort to the needy people, extending our cooperation and extending our support to the needy people is also called a great love. Love making at a early stage. It's a natural thing. How do we deal such feeling? How do we take that change? Or how do we handle that change? If we are able to balance it, we will be successful. If not, that will teach us many things. So the theme of the poem is mature and immature attitude of the people at a very young age, adolescent age. So they need to be understood in a clear cut way. Their understanding about life will be totally a new and distinctive one, because they lack experience, they lack worldly exposure. Only the worldly exposure will teach them about the real love, about the real beauty. What is beauty according to you? Are we going to look at the outer aspect? Then we are not having enough maturity. To look beyond that, we need more time, more experience, more exposure, and more reading ability. We have to read properly. If we do so, we'll be able to lead a happy thing. We can't impose anything on our mind. Only the life will teach the best to us. If we are able to understand that, I think it's like it will be a great thing in our day-to-day life. Let us now look at the pictures. The honey-colored hair. If anyone looks at a beauty of a girl by the outer aspects like hair or the facial complexions or anything, then we still need to undergo several experiences. Let us now look at the next picture. The beauty lies in our perspective. It's up to our look. How do we perceive an idea? How do we look at that? Opinion varies, opinion differs. All over the world has got a different exposure, complexions, languages. Differences are there. Differences are everywhere, all over the world. So we can't define, or we have to define the beauty according to our maturity. Love is also called appreciating beauty of a flower. What do we look at? Its fresh look, or else its fragrance. Some flowers will also be so beautiful without fragrance. We also accept that. We keep it there. We keep such certain things. We use it for our day-to-day life. So it's up to our mentality. Look at the beauty of this particular picture. The child eats watermelon. So beautiful to look at. So beautiful to look at. It is also considered a beauty. Here, we never look at the child's hair, or we never look at other aspects, but we look at its innocence. It adds beauty to the child. The group of people, the children make better exposure, expressions. It also adds beauty to them. Here, when they express a pure love, we accept it as it is. We never look for anything, or our expectations will be lesser. When our expectations are more with a fixed result, then that won't be nice. So read the text, read the poem completely, and if you have any questions, you may post in the Google form or leave a message in the WhatsApp number also. Thank you very much.